Tingin ko naman po the professional relationship of the BI as an agency and the Department of Justice remains kasi of course, ang Department of Justice po ang ating mother department and we follow the guidance of the good Secretary of Justice. If there are any concerns po na ganito, siguro tuloy pa rin naman po yung trabaho natin. We still do what needs to be done sa bureau and we still report it po to the Department of Justice kasi pare-parehas rin naman po tayo ng ultimate goal dito despite siguro having differences. The ultimate goal really the Department of Justice as a family is really to pursue cases against Alice Guo, ensure her return to the Philippines, and find out kung ano yung mga pamamaraan niya ng pag-alis po ng bansa.
The more difficult question, ma'am, I'm going to ask you this, is sabi nga ni Justice Secretary Remulla, hindi siya sinabihan, parang hindi siya natimbrihan. Is this a normal process, ma'am? Ako narinig ko naman si BI Commissioner, sinabi niya, hindi siya nagsabi kasi they wanted to make sure pa. Pero just a question of 5 days. Ibig sabihin pa, ma'am, normal po ba yon na until you verify, you do not tell the Justice Secretary, at in this case, nagtampo siya ng konti. May ganun po ba? O in the future, would you like to say that kahit yung mga ganyan, since this is a celebrated case, dapat sabihin po sa ano po bang, hindi ko pa narinig kasi si BI Commissioner na nagsabi po ng kanyang comment about this.
Well, siguro po, the decision of the commissioner then was really to ensure that accurate information will be presented to the Secretary of Justice and to the President. Doon po sa timelines natin, nakakuha tayo ng initial information ng August 15. That was the first and then nagkaroon ng verifications with counterpart that time with other heads of immigration agencies of ASEAN countries. Meron pong ASEAN meeting noon for immigration. So, right then and there, nakapagtanong po ang ating commissioner doon sa mga kapwa niya heads ng immigration doon kung meron silang information. Kasi ang information, yes, ang information pong nakarating kay commissioner is that may ticket daw po si Alice Guo pabalik ng bansa from Singapore. Si Alice Guo, si Ila, si Westy, at saka si Cassandra Leong. They were allegedly supposed to board a Cebu Pacific flight from Singapore to the Philippines. I think 14 yata or 15 yon. So nung 16, nagtanong po si Commissioner doon sa mga ASEAN countries kasi sa records po ng immigration, nasa Pilipinas si Alice Guo. There's no record of her leaving the country. And during that verification process, ang sabi po ni Malaysia, nasa kanila po si Alice Guo. But the thing is, ang sabi, nasa kanila din si Alice Guo. So parang tatlong bansa po ang nagsasabi na nasa kanila si Alice Guo. Si Philippines, si Malaysia, and si Singapore. And both Malaysia and Singapore were very sure that Alice Guo was with them. That's why minarapat po ni Commissioner na to make further verifications because this is a big story and mahirap pong magbigay ng mga ano siguro yung very raw information kasi very raw that she is wherever. Lunes, that was a weekend already. Pagdating po ng Lunes, habang ginagawa po yung mga documentations for the report, lumabas po during the privileged speech of Senator Ontiveros yung balitang yon and it was released already to the media. So kahit po raw pa yung information, minarapat na rin po ni Commissioner Tansinko na i-share na although ongoing pa po yung verifications nito dun sa ibang counterparts.